Hi, today we're going to read about Pat has to get food. Your copy is pink. You will find it in your reading packet. Pat has to get food. Let's take a look. What do you see? Who is that? Is this Pat? This is Pat. Where is Pat? Looks like maybe the kitchen. What is this? This is a ham. Ham. What is this? These are eggs. Eggs. Pat has to get food. Let's read. Pat has to get food. She has to get ham. She has to get eggs. She has to get food for Sam. Sam is fat. Sam is a fat man. Pat has to cook. She can cook good food. And she has to go to work. This time I read, you repeat. Pat has to get food. She has to get ham. She has to get eggs. She has to get food for Sam. Sam is fat. Sam is a fat man. Pat has to cook. She can cook good food. And she has to go to work. Okay. Yes or no? Number 1. Pat has to get a hat. Yes or no? What do you think? Number 2. Pat has to get eggs. Yes or no? Number 3. Pat is a bad cook. Yes or no? Number 4. Pat has to go to work. Yes or no? Number 5. Sam is not fat. Yes or no? What do you think? Okay. Now it says, write about you. Write about you. What do you have to do? What do you have to do? If you see your ABC English book, page 46 and 47, you will see things that people do. What do you have to do? I have to cook. I have to clean. I have to do laundry, wash dishes, go shopping. I have to work. Today, I have to work. On Saturday, I have to go shopping. What about you? Okay, write the answers. Check your ABC book, page 46 and 47, and I will see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.